guys, today we're going to go over compound interest, and this is the decimals calculator you're going to be using. So let's take a look at the handout. Notice that the formula is very different from the previous video. Okay, so now here we have your principal, which is your money, your rate, which is your percent, and your years, which is the time, correct? Now, don't multiply PRT because the formula doesn't tell you that. You're going to have to start with 5,155, open the parentheses. Then notice that your rate is in a fraction. So all you have to do is go to decimals and convert it into a decimal. 3 plus 7 out of 8, it equals to 3.875. So 3.875 out of 100, like I told you in the other video. And actually, I forgot something. 1 plus 3.875, right? Just verify. Yeah, 3.875 out of 100, because we don't have the percent sign, to the 3.5 power. Okay, now here we go. 5,155, open the parentheses, 1 plus 3.875 out of 100, move to the right, close the parentheses, and then we're not going to put the square, we're going to put the a to the b power to go up and put a 3.5. That should do it. I should give you your final answer. Okay, so that's basically what you have to do, and move on to the next question. All right, next question. It's going to be the same principle, and notice that the question is asking for total amount, just like it did here. Total amount, no extra step. Okay, so we start with 4,180, open parentheses, 1 plus 4.1 out of 100 to the 2.8 power. Okay, so go to the calculator and let's try it again. 4180, 4180, open parentheses, 1 plus 4.1 over 100, 4.1 over 100, move to the right with the right arrow, close parentheses, and then AB power, we're going to put a 2.8. 2.8. There we go, and that should give you the answer. Okay, so there is no trick on this assignment. You just have to know that it is a different formula, and you have to put your percents into a fraction. Now, if it's given you a fraction, you need to turn it into a decimal. That's all you have to remember, okay, guys? So now for number 3, it's exactly the same thing. You're going to set it up. So I'm going to set it up. 1,800, right? 1 plus 10 out of 100 to the 4th power. But because it says interest, we're going to have to do an extra step at the end. So whatever answer you get, again, you're going to have to subtract the 1,800. Number 4, the same thing. It says interest, so we're going to have to subtract. Okay, so let's set it up. 2,250, parentheses 1 plus 3.5 out of 100, close parentheses, to the 2nd power. Whatever answer you get, you're going to subtract with a 2,250. Okay, and the rest, Try them on your own, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, but you should be good to go. Like I said, all you have to do is follow the formula: 11,500 parentheses 1 plus 3.8 out of 100 close parentheses to the third power for 3 years. And here it says, will he owe after 3 years? How much interest? So whatever answer you get, guess what? You're going to have to subtract in the end. Okay? Next one, number 6, the same thing. Okay? So 3,145, open parentheses, 1 plus. Notice that this is a fraction. So you come to your calculator. 4 plus 1 out of 8. It gives you 4.125. 4.125 out of 100, close parentheses, and you need to put 4.5. Notice that the question is asking for interest, so in the end, you're going to have to subtract the 31.45. Okay, so the last two, I will leave it to you guys, and that is it. Email me if you have any questions, and that's it for today.